Hi guys, how are you all doing? I hope you're doing fantastic. This is Lynette Mwangi or Mwangi Lynette. If you're a returning subscriber, asante sana for supporting me. Thank you so much. I do not take it for granted. And if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, comment, like, share, and yeah, let's keep growing, So today I want to take you for a house tour in Lavington. It's a 4-bedroomed house. It's in Lavington. So yeah, come with me. Let's see what 60,000 shillings a month rent gives you in Lavington. It's in the outskirts or outer parts of Lavington. Karibu Kawangware, So yeah, keep tuned. Let's see. So this is what it looks like on the outside. It's a playground. This is the parking. It's not as big. So let's see. This is the main entrance. This is the door. Immediately you enter, the first thing you get to see, so that's a mirror. On my left I have a washroom. This is the guest's washroom, servant's washroom. You can see how it looks. And there's a sink over there. And on my right, immediately I enter, I guess this is the servant's room. Those are the wardrobes. On this side, there's a mirror. So technically, that's how the servant's room looks like. And it's quite huge. So after that, we go straight. This was made an office since it was vacant. Then we get to the kitchen. This is how the kitchen looks like. There are cabinets down there. So that's how the kitchen looks like. It's quite spacious. And the wardrobes are many. So you can store your utensils, your food, whatever. It doesn't have a pantry. Then this is now the living room. Like I said before, this was converted into an office. Let's go to the upper rooms. That is upstairs. That's my outfit for the day. How do I look? So let's go to the first floor. Yippee! You can see this, I don't know what to call this area, but it's quite spacious. Then this is the first floor. First floor, there are 2 bedrooms. Like I said, this was an office. And this is what the first room looks like, the first bedroom. These are the wardrobes, as you can see. And inside this bedroom is a washroom or a bathroom. Yeah. You can see it's self-contained. This is the first bedroom, and then there's also a balcony. Yeah, there's a balcony, as you can see. That's part of the neighborhood. Yeah. Then after that, you can see it's quite furnished. This is the second bedroom in the first floor, that is. Remember, we had another bedroom down there. Yeah. So this is how it looks like. This one is quite spacious. It's very spacious, by the way. Very, very spacious. So these are the wardrobes. You can see. Yes. Then there's a mirror there. There's another pair of wardrobes. It's quite spacious. Yeah, immediately after you open the door on your right, there are wardrobes and shelves. Do you know? Yeah. As you can see, that is the dressing mirror, and it's quite huge. It's a dressing table. Yeah. Then inside that bedroom, there's the washroom or the bathroom. Immediately you open, this is what you see. There's a mirror and there's a sink. Then there's a bathtub. It's quite spacious, as you can see. There's also a shower head. Yeah. Then this is where the toilet is. It's quite spacious. This is quite spacious. Yeah. So immediately you enter on your right. That is where the toilet is. On your left, the bathtub. Yeah. So let's go to the other room, the last room. Yep. Then we are going to the second floor. This is a two-story building. We're going to the second floor, which has the master bedroom, and I think so. Yeah. Like I mentioned before, this was an office, so you'll see some furniture. So this is what you see immediately you enter. There's a huge window over there, and it's quite spacious. The room is quite spacious, as you can see. Yeah. Then on my left, these are the wardrobes are. I tend to think this is the master bedroom. Yeah. Then there's a balcony right over here. I don't have the key, I'd have opened, but there's a balcony right over there. And then right next to, that's the mirror. Yeah. Then there's also a washroom here. And immediately I open the door, the first thing I get to see is the bathtub. I think it's under construction or something. Is the bathtub. Then on my left there's a mirror. There are so many mirrors in this house. And then there's a sink. Yeah. And there's a toilet. Yeah. The reason as to why I thought this is a master bedroom, just look at that. Yeah. Just look at that. Yeah. And it's also furnished. So yes guys, that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Yes, tell me what you think about it. Is it worth the 60,000 or is it not worth? Yeah, that's an empty house tour. Yeah, and see you on the next video.